It's really creepy.
More beds.
That was like that over there.
Goes on. Quite far down there.
Are you down this tunnel? Are you trapped
More.
here?
That's so sketchy.
What's that down there?
Are you trapped down this tunnel?
Looks like some kind of vent.
It's so damp in here, look.
Oh, there's another little doorway there.
Oh, so
Please feel free to use the devices to communicate.
If there is someone with us, step away from the device.
There we go.